Hi friends, today we will learn means basic HTML tag, best practice of HTML tags. First I am creating, here is one index file first, index dot HTML. Okay, here is blank, press the shift and exclamatory sign and click here. Okay, now save it. Okay, so now first we will learn heading. Suppose we want to any heading, any web page, any heading. So here is in HTML tag have heading tag, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5 and heading 6. Here have 6 type heading. I'm just giving example. How many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Five and 6. Okay, now here is giving I'm heading. Suppose we want to any heading, main heading, subheading. Here I'm giving is subheading. It's heading tag mostly be used when we want to need heading. I'm clicking here live, just let's check. So heading tag use only heading when we want to any heading that time use only heading tags. And second thing, okay, can you see here is a heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, very small sizes comes in heading 6. According to you concepts, suppose we want to big heading, that time use a heading 1. Now we need to any small, means first heading to compare, second heading is small, so use less than 2 3 that time. Okay, suppose we want to anywhere any paragraph, suppose I want to, that time use only p tag, only that time use p tag. No, don't use any tag div and any span the paragraph. Okay, and another thing is when we want to need any images, that time use only img tag, img src use, give here is image path and give space and use alert. Here is alert use only give information any images, just I'm busy images, I am okay, and closing. So that time only use href a, then href. Here I am using hashtag. In hashtag you can any URL, any local path. Suppose I am giving here is a link. Okay, suppose we want to any table, that time have table tag available. One more thing, table, then I need to first use table, then t head, because I'm using here is a heading. Okay, T head opening and close, and then use TR, then TH, not a TD, TH. Suppose I'm giving here is name. Name, roll number, and heading is completed. Now T body. I am starting T body. Here is description. Use TR and TD. Name here is I am using Saksham. And roll number is, you can put 100, 100. Now okay, image size is very big. Now here is link, here is roll number, now I'm giving here is style with 40 pixels and height auto. Let's check. Okay, now can you see here is coming is table structure. Now friend, avoided unnecessary code. Just I'm giving here is one example, because some people's using here is div, then add here is some heading, lorem. So please don't do this, don't use this type. Please replace here is section. And now we will learn semantics, HTML semantic. Now I am using header. So here is have one header tag. Okay, now in header have now bar. So I am using as now. Now here is I am giving linking, UL, LI, anchor, link 1. Now copy, paste 2. And second thing we want to here is main, because status is main, right? So main tag is available in Symmetry. Then use here is section. Here it is any heading. TechnoSunita, and give here is p tag paragraph, lorem. Okay, now I am giving here is this one style, busy, color blue, height 500, and same thing I am now bar, just click and change according to your color. And now main section is finished, right? To use here is footer tag. footer, ul, li. Add here is anything, link, social icons, anything. Black color. Okay, amazing. Let's check. Its call is symmetric tag. Here is a header section, here is a main, and bottom is a footer. Area label means screen reader. So I am taking here is now tag. Now tag I am taking, and here is I am giving one ID, navigation. Now I am using here is area. Main, navigation, and after that I am taking here ul, li, and anchor tag, href. Just here is formatting. Now area label is read the screen, read the this type navigation.